Hello guys, in this series I'm sharing my experience of making $1 million on YouTube. You can follow along to see our progress, what we have learned along the way, and how our business is doing. So today we are at 0.055%. Our total revenue is close to $600. This is day 50. Our expenditures are at $133. We have lost some money on Ripple because we have invested in that, but I'm going to tell you more about that later. And our AdSense revenue is $556. Our investments are these two, this microphone that I'm using right now and that Ripple investments. Our top comment of the day was suggesting that we should invest in crypto. That's why we have invested in those Ripples. Unfortunately, Ripple is going down right now, so we lost some money with that. But if you have any other suggestions, questions around YouTube or the YouTube ecosystem, the YouTube business, just leave them in the comments. And the most liked comment is going to be featured in the next video, and we are going to answer that or implement that if it's an idea. So let's jump into the YouTube studio to see how our channel was doing today. So as you can see, we have 2,141 subscribers, and let's see our statistics. In the last 28 days, we have received 95.2 thousand views, 1.2 thousand watch hours. Our channel grew by 340 subscribers in 28 days. That's great. That's great growth. And our revenue, estimated revenue for these 28 days is $311. Let's jump into the real-time statistics to see how are we doing in the last 48 hours. These are some of our most viewed videos in the last 48 hours. There are a few that are coming up right now, but most of them are our general videos that have been growing for quite a long time. For example, this one is one of the most profitable ones, the Revolut Junior app, which as you can see is growing linearly but very stable, and it receives around 70-80 views every single day, and it's made us $22 in the past few weeks. Let's go to the revenue statistics to see some more details around revenue. Our RPM right now is $4.14, which is like an average RPM. It's even good in comparison to the types of videos that we do, because most of our videos are like very short ones, short tutorial videos. And as we all know, those short videos have a lower RPM. So actually it should have been even lower, but good thing that balances that out is that we have quite a lot of financial topics. So those can increase a little bit our RPM. And obviously we are trying to create more longer format videos and bringing more value to you guys, so we can increase our RPM and obviously our viewership as well. This is our 28 days and this is our 90 days revenue statistics. As I've mentioned, in total we have made $556.37 since we became monetized. Our most profitable ad types are skippable video ads, as it is for everyone in general. The second one is bumper ads and the display ads. And yeah, these are some of the most profitable videos in the last 28 days. The Terra coin video was blowing up in the this week, but it has already stopped. It was a huge scandal around the Terra coin, because it crashed this week. Like a month ago, the value of one Terra coin was around $150, and today one Terra coin values around 0.0005, which is an extreme decrease, and that's why the Terra coin had a huge interest. Everybody was trying to sell, and that's why this video blew up like crazy. So yeah, it had an unfortunate cause, but yeah, that's what we have noticed. Actually, I noticed that something is wrong with Terra from my channel statistics. All the time when one video about one coin is increasing in views, I can tell that something is happening. Either the coin is growing very fast or it is plummeted. So yeah, that's pretty much it about our profitable videos. That's pretty much it for this video. Also, if you are interested in our journey, check out this playlist where you can see how we have started from the first day. And if you are watching this in the future, you can check out newer videos, how we are doing right now. Actually, I would be also really interested in seeing one of these videos from 1 year later. But yeah, you can do that if you are watching from the future. Thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description and see you in the next one. Bye bye.